Welcome to our session on job satisfaction and organizational commitment. In this presentation, we will explore key concepts such as job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and organizational citizenship behavior. We'll discuss factors influencing these concepts, their outcomes, and strategies to enhance them in workplaces. By the end of this session, you'll gain insights into improving employee motivation, reducing turnover, and fostering a productive work environment. Let's get started. Job satisfaction is influenced by multiple factors including pay, working conditions, and relationships with supervisors and coworkers. Pay fulfills needs and indicates value, while favorable working environments and equitable promotions improve morale. Supportive supervisors and cooperative work groups further enhance satisfaction. Managers should focus on improving these aspects to increase productivity and morale. Job satisfaction impacts performance, turnover, and absenteeism. While satisfaction boosts performance, it's not the sole driver. Low satisfaction can increase turnover and absenteeism, affecting productivity. Managers should implement strategies like competitive pay, promotions, good working conditions, and recognition programs to improve satisfaction. Clear communication and involvement in decisions also help retain employees. Job security and autonomy give employees confidence and motivation. A diverse job scope maintains interest and reduces boredom. Recognition programs provide validation, and work-life balance minimizes burnout. Organizations must prioritize these factors to maintain employee satisfaction and reduce negative behaviors like absenteeism and turnover. To improve job satisfaction, organizations should emphasize open communication and leadership training. Employee engagement and team-building programs create a sense of belonging, while performance evaluations and training programs foster growth and motivation. Investing in employees' development boosts morale and organizational loyalty. Organizational commitment reflects an employee's loyalty and involvement with the organization. Factors like age, tenure, job design, and leadership style influence commitment. Organizations should promote a positive culture and work-life balance to strengthen commitment. Leaders must create alignment between values and organizational goals to build emotional bonds with employees. Organizational commitment reduces turnover and absenteeism, improves performance, and fosters loyalty. Companies should enhance communication, provide growth opportunities, and recognize achievements. Building trust and offering fair treatment further motivate employees to stay committed and contribute actively to organizational goals. Organizational citizenship behavior involves voluntary, helpful actions that exceed formal job expectations. Employees demonstrate dedication, teamwork, and helpfulness without expecting rewards. These behaviors improve organizational efficiency, promote harmony, and create a positive work culture. OCB is categorized into loyalty, sportsmanship, courtesy, altruism, conscientiousness, and civic virtue. It strengthens team spirit, enhances productivity, and reduces workplace conflicts. Managers should recognize and promote such behaviors by rewarding positive actions and encouraging collaboration. Organizations can foster OCB by ensuring fairness, building trust, and promoting teamwork. Leaders should model positive behaviors and recognize contributions to create a culture of collaboration and voluntary participation. Encouraging OCB improves morale and organizational performance. Job satisfaction is based on how employees feel about their tasks, pay, and environment, while organizational commitment reflects their bond with the company. Satisfied employees may still leave if better opportunities arise, whereas committed employees are likely to stay even during difficulties. Both are influenced by distinct factors and should be nurtured through targeted strategies. Job satisfaction is a short-term factor influencing turnover, as satisfied employees may still leave for better prospects. Organizational commitment, however, creates long-term bonds, reducing turnover rates. Companies should focus on both satisfaction and commitment to retain talent. Programs addressing employee development, fairness, and cultural alignment can enhance both aspects. To enhance both satisfaction and commitment, organizations should focus on recognition, growth opportunities, and inclusion. Transparent communication and work-life balance programs further motivate employees. Managers should implement structured approaches to foster long-term loyalty and reduce turnover. Organizations must balance job satisfaction and commitment to maintain performance and stability. Satisfaction improves motivation, while commitment retains employees. Both short-term and long-term strategies, such as improving pay, promoting culture, and providing career development, ensure a motivated and dedicated workforce. Motivation is the internal force that drives individuals to act toward specific goals. It starts with identifying unmet needs, creating tension, and directing behavior toward fulfilling those needs. Employees evaluate performance and adjust their efforts based on feedback, creating a continuous improvement cycle. Managers can influence motivation by addressing needs and offering rewards for performance. Primary motives focus on biological needs like food and shelter, essential for survival. General motives address psychological and social factors like recognition and status. Organizations must balance both by ensuring physical comfort and social engagement through rewards, recognition, and career growth programs. Motivation can be enhanced by designing meaningful jobs, setting goals, and recognizing achievements. Employee involvement and training create opportunities for growth and fulfillment, motivating individuals to contribute effectively. Managers should develop reward systems aligned with performance to sustain motivation. Emotional intelligence helps employees manage stress and sustain motivation. Social motives like affiliation and recognition improve teamwork and performance, while achievement needs drive goal-oriented behavior. Managers should promote emotional resilience and social bonds to enhance motivation. Organizational Citizenship Behavior, OCB, describes voluntary actions employees take to improve the workplace. These actions, such as helping coworkers or participating in extra activities, are not formally required but greatly enhance efficiency and teamwork. Organizations benefit from OCB through higher morale, better collaboration, and improved performance. OCB includes behaviors such as altruism, conscientiousness, and sportsmanship, which build cooperation and reduce conflicts. Employees who display civic virtue actively engage in organizational events, improving teamwork and morale. Organizations can encourage OCB by recognizing and rewarding these voluntary contributions. OCB is influenced by satisfaction, commitment, and leadership styles. Supportive cultures encourage voluntary contributions, improving productivity, teamwork, and stability. Managers should foster fairness and trust to promote OCB, driving growth and innovation. To sustain OCB, organizations must focus on fairness, recognition, and leadership development. Policies that promote work-life balance and employee engagement create positive environments where OCB thrives. Managers should consistently reward voluntary efforts to maintain motivation and collaboration. Job satisfaction relates to specific aspects of a job, while organizational commitment reflects attachment to the organization itself. Satisfied employees may leave for better opportunities, but committed employees tend to stay even when facing challenges. Employers should focus on both to minimize turnover and retain talent. While job satisfaction impacts short-term decisions to quit, organizational commitment predicts long-term retention. Committed employees are more loyal and stay through challenges. Organizations should focus on building commitment by aligning employee values, offering growth opportunities, and creating supportive work cultures. Organizations need to balance satisfaction and commitment to maintain performance and stability. While satisfaction motivates short-term efforts, commitment fosters long-term loyalty. Strategies like fair pay, growth opportunities, and positive culture help strengthen both aspects, improving retention and reducing turnover. Balancing job satisfaction and commitment ensures organizational success. Satisfaction motivates short-term performance, while commitment sustains long-term loyalty. Managers should use targeted strategies such as fair policies, recognition programs, and career development to reduce turnover and enhance employee engagement. Thank you for watching our video on job satisfaction and organizational commitment. We hope you found the content useful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on organizational behavior. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next session.